Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make liposomal turmeric. We'll walk through the process of creating this powerful supplement right in your own kitchen. Liposomal encapsulation significantly boosts the absorption of turmeric's active compounds, like curcumin, making it much more effective. This method helps protect the turmeric from degradation in your digestive system, ensuring your body can utilize its full benefits. It's a fantastic way to maximize the health advantages of this incredible spice. To begin, gather your key ingredients. You'll need about 4 tablespoons of high-quality turmeric powder, 3.5 tablespoons of sunflower lecithin granules, and 72 grams of distilled water. Some recipes also suggest 17 grams of ethanol to help dissolve the turmeric initially. Ensure all your equipment, like your blender or ultrasonic cleaner, is clean and ready. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and efficient. Now for the core of the process, blending and encapsulation. First, mix your turmeric powder with the distilled water and ethanol if you're using it until well dissolved. Then, add your lecithin granules to a blender. Pour the turmeric mixture into the blender with the lecithin and blend on a low speed for about 3 to 5 minutes. For best results, transfer this mixture to an ultrasonic cleaner and run it for approximately 60 minutes. This step creates the tiny liposomes that encapsulate the turmeric. Once your liposomal turmeric is ready, transfer it to a sterile, sealed glass container. It's important to store it in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and potency. This homemade supplement offers significantly enhanced absorption compared to regular turmeric, meaning your body can utilize its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties much more effectively. Enjoy the benefits of improved immune support and overall well-being with your homemade liposomal turmeric.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.